Yeah. Let's do 90. Oh, you guys are here. Well, let's talk the Galaxy Z Flip and do some gaming. So the brand new Galaxy Z Flip is Samsung's second foldable device. This is a clamshell foldable. It reminds you of your old school smartphones, flip phones, if you will, and it's really small. You can see how small it is. It fits in the palm of my hand, and it opens up into a much larger device. So you've got a screen size that's about 6.7 inches, kind of almost slightly bigger than the Galaxy S10 Plus, but this thing packs in a lot of performance, and we're going to check that out today, playing a few games. So we're playing Call of Duty Mobile, of course PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, and Shadowgun War Games, just to give you an idea of what this can do. We'll check out temperatures as well, and we'll be doing our speaker test. Plus, we're playing some emulators as well, so go ahead and see that. Now, this is all powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor that should be able to run all these quite well, and we've got 8 gigs of RAM. Now, in terms of battery, we're looking at 3,500 milliamps, and of course, this uses a standard 25 watt charger. I believe 25 watt, it might be 15. But anyway, we're gonna see how this all plays in together with this device. So without wasting any more time, let's do some gaming.
Inbound. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead.
I'm down. Need backup.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. We tied for the lead. Lost the lead.
Reload!
Reloading! Enemy down! Target down! Expired! Cover me! Nice shot!
Be careful. You're losing the game.
The red team is about to win! Half of the match is over, and the red team is in the lead. No mercy!
Red team victory.
So there is a lot to talk about the Galaxy Z Flip. So let's start off with just gaming performance overall. 855 plus processor is a beast. Remember the ROG Phone 2 had it last year, and this thing runs the games really well. You saw, of course, the FPS counter for all of them, roughly around 60 frames per second, and we got about 30 frames for Fortnite, which is kind of locked at that at this point in time. And it ran well. Fortnite was in one where I got some weird glitches. I don't know why, but it shouldn't be the case. But I say overall, it ran really well and performance is good. Now, in terms of temperatures, though, we clocked in at 99 degrees, even though I registered 98 there. It's something that runs really hot, and it's around the camera module. That's where you're going to feel the most amount of heat. So that's just something to take note. Now, in terms of the speakers, though, we saw the speaker test, or you heard the speaker test as well. 101.6 decibels, that's coming from a single mono speaker, and we got some good sound dissipation. Just be very careful if you're gaming so you don't cover that up. Now, this device still performs really well, and I wish Samsung would add more gaming features so that you can do more in terms of what you want to do. The Game Center is a bit limited, I would say, but you still have that there. I think overall, if you're going to be playing games, or you're going to be playing emulators as well, like the Game Boy emulator that I have, which also ran really well with no issues, this thing does a fantastic job, and I like it for gaming because it's a nice clamshell. You can close it and boom, you're good to go. It fits into your pocket quite easily and nicely, and you can take it out and you can go like this, bum, and then start gaming and do whatever you want to. So that is really nice. Now, you've got, of course, all the pecs and features you find with a Galaxy device. This does have reverse wireless charging, so that's also a good plus right there. You do have also a nice camera system. Samsung does add a case with it, so you have some protection for this device. It isn't water resistant, but should protect much better with your dust. I think overall, people will like this device. It is priced at $1,380. There's a trade-in offer that will bring it down to $140. I don't know if that fits you, but if you're looking to pick this up and you're thinking, can I game on the Galaxy Z Flip? Yes, you can, and you can do that quite well. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know, guys. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment. Now, let me fire up that Game Boy emulator.